Hello to my favorite 7th grade mathematicians. This is your last week of schoolwork in the year 2020. So that's really exciting. You're halfway through 7th grade, which is amazing to me. This week, as we get ready for the Christmas holidays, I hope that you have a Merry Christmas and it is a very blessed New Year. I hope you take a moment to think about your blessings. I know things have been a challenge this year, but take a moment and think about your blessings, because still good comes in the bad, so don't forget that. This week on Monday, we're going to practice multiplying and dividing integers. We did adding and subtracting last week. So we're going to do that Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be a quiz on multiplying and dividing integers, and then you're going to do your iStation test for December. If you were here last week, you've already done that, most likely, if you were here every day last week. And on Thursday is a benchmark. It's 20 questions. 1 through 5 is without the calculator, and then 6 through 20 is with the calculator. And that is in your, SchoolNet test. And then on Friday, it is a school day, but we're just going to say Merry Christmas. And I guess that's the day you can think about your blessings. Hope you have a great Christmas and look forward to seeing you after the holidays. Love you all.